Alright guys, I know I said I was going to try to get out small engine stuff, but I had one project idea, and then I'm also trying to get this thing done that's been sitting and not being sold. So as many guys know, I've had the Drift Hero frame and the Trailmaster up for sale. Trailmaster, just guy did not show up. Just tired of dealing with those people and having people not show. And then this thing, people just asked me the most randomest questions about it. So I came up with an idea for this. So as you guys can tell, the pull start for the 212 is in there. And generally, I'm using this as a rule of thumb. I believe this is about the size that the 98s and the 79s are. I'm just saying, comparing to YouTube videos and stuff, it looks like a 79 or 98 could fit in this for in the pull start for a Predator 212. And the reason I say that is because usually over here is right where your carburetor and stuff is at. And if we take that and we just kind of push it back, that's where we have the carb. I could put an intake and stuff right here for like a aftermarket one. And we just kind of step back a bit. It kind of looks like it fits. That, and then if it's a 98 and stuff, I can kind of twist it, turn it, and stuff like that. And the whole reason I'm testing this is because I did find another frame for sale that I kind of want to get this done, see how I do with it, and then if things go well with this, get this frame, and then see if we can put the 212 on that frame, because it's actually more built for this stuff, and nobody's done anything with it, so I'm very curious. So stay tuned.